a whole house tour of this house that we're staying in. Hey guys, this is Diamond. We're back with another video, and I'm here at the Dote House in LA. Just want to give you guys a quick tour of the whole house. So that's what we're doing. You have to have the key. So we're gonna just do the front yard first. Yeah. Carla, by the way. Hi. Carla, the funniest person you'll ever meet. Hi. Also, all the girls who we just met yesterday, we're only here for the weekend in LA. And yeah, this is the front yard. We've been taking bomb pictures. We had a photo shoot today and we were like just using the scene.
Sun looks nice over here. Yes. Give me it. Yes.
Say bye to Andre.
Bye, Andre.
Okay, so we're gonna walk up the stairs, and as you can see to my left is a bunch of space for pictures, videos, by these nice little pillars.
Really nice. And then we come in over here.
This is the front door.
Yes.
This is like where you enter.
Yes, girl.
Yeah, MTV crib.
So this is the first room I came in. This is the living room, and they had like balloons. We had racks up with our clothes.
Yes,
and stuff,
so cute.
and our names.
There's a little fireplace right here when it gets cold and breezy.
So then over here is where we eat. It's really messy right now.
Cause we smash.
Yeah, we just like grub, and this is where we eat too. It was really nice yesterday, and yeah. But this is like a real house tour. It's not like a fake one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they also gave us like a little goodie bag when we first came. It just says dough on it. You have to come back to the house.
Oh my gosh. Yes. So cute.
Girl.
Yes.
So there's a lot of open doors, a lot of open windows.
Oh yes.
So we're gonna come outside now.
Oh, look at this dead bee. That's so sad. It's dying.
Well, let's just show this area.
Yeah.
This is like a nice area. Sit down, talk, discuss. Like,
Just kidding.
And then over here is the back.
They're trying to
back
sneak.
area, and this is the
Bye, you guys. You got it on camera. Please keep that in.
All right, you guys. So we are here at the pool. Please don't leave hate comments because I'm interrupting the vlog. So here's the pool. We have the hot tub.
Let's walk over here.
Yeah, let's get a good view.
Good shot.
We have the actual pool. Do you want me to jump in?
We're gonna go in it later tonight, so that's gonna be fun. They have the little tigers.
Yeah.
And we're living life, guys.
Yeah.
We're living life.
We're living large.
Everything's like aesthetic. Like everything's
Very.
like meant for, like, pictures.
Yeah,
Like,
we took a
Instagram
lot of
pictures.
pictures.
It's a YouTube, like it's meant for
Yeah.
We have a
Y'all, we have to go to the creepy.
back house, but we're not.
Yeah, we're not gonna
probably going.
Who cares?
Should we go?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no, it's not.
Guys, I'm scared.
No, that's not it. That's not it. It's not
That's
it.
storage.
Going into that little back house that I've never seen before.
Oh, this is dope. Yo, why are we staying in here?
Yeah.
Oh, what the? Yo, this is dope though. Like, this is dope.
Yeah, this is.
There's a little fireplace over here.
That's true.
Table area. This is like
So
an
we really
overview.
just took.
Clearly it is gorgeous. We had so much fun at this house. If you guys do want to see the vlog, please let me know.
Here we go, Diamond.
So this is the main area that I showed earlier. It's like a pentagon kind of thing. They have the stairs that go up and lead to the actual second floor. And then up here they have a chandelier, which is really cool and different. It's like circle and like candle lights. So now let's go to my room. It's kind of messy, but this is mine. Like, look. So they gave us little tags with their names on it, and that's me and my roommate. So our room's a little bit crazy right now because we just finished the shoot, like I said earlier, but it's just like a basic room. Then it has a walk-in closet, which is kind of huge. This is like the walk-in closet.
Damn.
You know. And then we come out, there's a bathroom, pretty basic. We go into the next room, and this is the other girl's room. They have like a double duo kind of thing.
My room and Mia's.
Yeah, she's in it. I forgot which room this was. Okay. And there's another like connecting.
Come to my room. Don't look at the bed though, because I dropped some makeup on it.
And there's a bathroom in here. Oh,
Super
a
nice.
bathroom, a really nice bathroom.
Hello.
Alright, so now let's go up the stairs.
Ooh, there it is. Ooh, girl. Ooh, that booty.
Casual. Yeah, casual walk up the stairs. This is the loft, and it has like a red, my favorite color, couch. And it just stands out of the whole house because everything's like white, black, modern. But really like it. So this is the loft area. Then we can just go to the masters. 2 other girls are in here.
Knock, knock.
Sorry.
House tour video.
Hi, I'm Divinity.
What's your name?
Lily.
Lily. Ah, that's it. No words needed.
Okay, so this bed is so nice. And then there's Emma.
This is the master.
Meet Emma.
Meet Emma.
Emma just always go like chill mode.
She's so chill.
Yeah.
I love it. Let's get it.
Okay. This bathroom over here. Yeah. It's like huge. We won't go
Huge.
into detail.
This is the master suite.
So out of the masters, there's a little balcony area. More girls.
Hey guys.
So this is the balcony area.
Okay. We have to get them taking their cute pictures.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Hey. Wait, I need some Blanca. Blanca, we didn't get any.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Jazzy.
I need to take my socks
Oh
off.
my god.
Oh no, me too.
Look at Mama Mia.
Did you guys see this juice coming out the rug?
It was raining.
Raining.
You hear that? Listen to this.
Okay, new ASMR. Whatever. We did it. I'm continuing. Come with me, Carla.
Hi, Blanca. Hey.
Then you come back to the loft, and then there's another room to the left.
This is my room, actually. Girl, let me tell you about it. So this is my room.
Okay,
I'm
Carla.
very excited about the view. I feel like I have views, like, you know.
She got views.
That's why we had to put the window up. You notice how this one's closed? We had to open it up. Just look at that. We got the view. And then we got.
And look at the hills.
I actually was very curious about what was in here, and I was like, what is in this closet? It's just
But it's a closet.
Wow, shocker. And then we have all this nastiness in here. That's why I need a new towel, dude. I came in my bathroom, someone just moved the towels in there. I didn't do that, didn't do that. I hung my stuff.
I didn't do that. All right, so I'm pretty sure is that the house? No, is it? No, yeah, that's the house.
That's so weird.
Okay, that's weird.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Please comment down below any questions or requests you guys may have. Do not forget to follow me on social media at Diamond Falls with 3 S's on Instagram and 2 S's on Twitter. I have that right here. And that was the house of Dote, so
Hey.
hey.